please turn on your video?
Ma'am, it's not possible for me to today open my camera.
Why?
Uh, because there are some people are around me, family members only, but I can't open today. From tomorrow onwards, I'll be in separate room. Then I'll open.
Okay, not an issue. Let me tell you that in LWT sessions, we try to keep ourselves visible to each other so that we have the more realistic experiences of interactions. Okay, so please try to make arrangements accordingly from tomorrow so that we both can see and hear each other simultaneously.
Yes,
Aditi,
ma'am.
this is going to be our first interaction. Can you please introduce yourself?
Okay, yes, ma'am. I'm Aditi Agrawal, pursuing a final year, BTech final year from Banastali Vidyapeeth, and I'm connected with LWT as a brand manager, as well as from last 2 years ago I start connected with LWT as a campus ambassador.
Okay,
Yeah.
okay. So now the role that you are playing, do you think that it requires leadership qualities?
Ma'am, basically, if I talk about the brand manager and like campus ambassador, it really needs a leadership qualities, because being a campus ambassador, I have to talk with many people and try to convince them regarding some other activities. And if I talk about other scenarios, like as a leadership quality, in my college I have done many such activities in which i I leaded the I lead in my class in various programs and all.
Mhm. My question to you was the role that you're playing in LWT, whether that does require leadership qualities or not. Okay, so Aditi, this is our first interaction. So I'd like to suggest you two small things. One, please give very sincere attention to the question and give it a deep thought before you start answering. Most of the cases, what we think is that if we don't start answering immediately after the question is asked, perhaps the person who is questioning, the interviewer, might get an impression that we are not that smart enough to talk immediately. Um, Let me tell you one thing, that this perception is not true always. It is better to talk sense rather than speaking fast. Okay.
Okay.
And two, it is very important to answer to the question to the point. It is very important. I'll tell you, because I asked you the question that whether the job role that you are playing in LWT requires leadership quality or not. So what are the other roles that you have played? Okay, that really does not need very detailed mentioning in your answer. You may just touch it in one sentence or so, but it is not that important to talk with the same weightage as with the weightage that you give with your roles as specified in LWT.
Okay,
So
ma'am.
that is one thing where you need to be a bit more careful from the next time, or anytime you initiate a conversation with anybody. Okay,
Okay.
so this is one thing that you need to remember.
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me, we are talking about leadership, and this is a very pertinent day to talk about because today is 26th of January. It is the Republic Day for our nation. Whom do you consider as the most important leader for the independence of our country? Which leader do you think is the most important one for the independence of our country?
Mahatma Gandhi.
Why?
Firstly, if I talk about some like what I said, like firstly I can say that he I'm not getting the words. Sorry.
If you want to answer in Hindi, you can also do that. We can do the translation later on. But it is important to speak your mind.
मैम अगर हम देखें कि उन्होंने सबसे पहले एक दांडी मार्च के लिए किया था, which was the very important and अच्छा स्टेप था वो।
आपको लगता है कि एक दांडी अभियान से आजादी की तरह एक इतना बड़ा मूवमेंट ड्राइव हो सकता है? डू यू रियली थिंक दैट?
मैम एक सिंपली एक स्टेप से नहीं, उन्होंने काफी सारे स्टेप्स करे which helps us in getting this independence.
But my question to you is, why do you think that he is the most important leader for independence of our country? There must be some significance behind his role that you find as a follower, which makes him the greatest leader to you for our nation, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Tell me one thing, Aditi.
Yes, ma'am.
What do you think? Leaders are born or they are made?
Ma'am, they are not born with the proper with the skills of being. No one is born with a skill of being a leader. They they made they made themselves as a leader.
So you think that they are not born, they are made, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. It is often said that you get something as a God-gifted talent.
Yes,
Do
ma'am.
you think that leadership falls under that back bucket, which is a God-gifted talent?
No, ma'am, I don't think so.
So do you believe in the concept that something is really God-gifted?
Yes, ma'am. But for leadership
Okay.
quality, I can't say this.
Okay. So what are the qualities that a reader should develop or inculcate in him to be a leader?
Ma'am, to be a leader, firstly, he or she should be more confident with their points, and they should be able to convince people with the right points what actually they want, and why the people are not why the people are not like what I say, why people should have that thing which he wants, he or she want as a leader. And
Okay.
he should manage the crowd very softly. Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
Aditi, it was lovely talking to you for the first time, and I'm sure that we're going to come across many more interactions in the coming sessions. Stay
Yes, ma'am.
well. Wish you a very happy Republic Day. Stay safe. That is most important in this challenging time. And we will surely meet very soon. Thank you.
Thank you,
And with
ma'am.
this, shall we move on to Shubhangi Singh Chauhan?
Yes, ma'am.
Shubhangi, can you please turn your video on? Will that be okay for you for today?
Yes, ma'am. 1 minute.
Okay. Okay, so please do turn your video on that. Okay, it seems you are a small girl. What do you study, my dear? You are muted. I cannot hear
Ma'am,
you.
class 9th.
Class 9. Oh my God, which school do
From
you
City
study in?
Montessori School.
Okay, you live in Jamshedpur?
Lucknow.
Oh, you live in Lucknow. Okay. Tell me, when did you enjoy your last galauti kebab?
Ma'am, I'm vegetarian.
Okay, you are a vegetarian. Then I placed a wrong question across a correct person. Oh, well, I heard you talking to Caroline in the last session, and you were telling that Narendra Modi is the best leader as per you,
Yes,
as
ma'am.
of now, if not very mistaken. And I also remember that you spoke that you firmly believe that leaders are made, they are not born, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, if I ask you, Shivangi, that do you think that God has gifted you certain stuffs when you take your bath? Will you agree that God has really gifted you certain things, which is a gift from Him, you consider?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so what are those things that He has gifted you?
Ma'am, first of all, good family and good appearance and
Mm-hmm.
good school that I'm studying.
You think that God has given you that school, or He has given you your parents? That is something which I agree. And your parents have chosen the school for you, not God. So the school is not a correct answer in this note. Okay. The
Yes,
previous 2 points, I do agree. Okay. So now you think that somebody who becomes a good leader, he is also gifted with certain qualities like that, which God has gifted him.
yes, ma'am.
Then why did you say otherwise in the last session? When Carolyn ma'am was asking, you told clearly, I don't think that there are certain stuffs which are gifted. You firmly said that yes, I believe that leaders are made. So why say so?
Ma'am, because I think, ma'am, that everyone do not have equal characteristics of becoming a leader. Like someone has something and some characteristics, and other don't have those characteristics but have other characteristics. So that
So we all are skilled differently, and that makes us beautiful, right? You are good
yes,
at something X, and I'm good at something Y. So that is absolutely okay. But everybody does not become a leader. But now, those of the guys who become leader, do you think that they are all made? Few of them are not born. What is your perception on that note?
ma'am, I think some of them are born and some of them are made.
Can you please name any one who is really born and not made? You think?
Ma'am, ma'am, I don't have any idea.
Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose or Narendra Modi?
Ma'am,
Who is a born leader to you?
I think Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose.
Why not Narendra Modi? He is also a leader. Why
Yes,
don't you
ma'am.
think that? Why don't you think that he is born that way?
Ma'am,
Don't worry. We are
yes,
not going
ma'am.
to give you any grade or any punishment. You can speak your mind. Okay. I understand that it is too early for you to answer to such questions. And how long you have joined LWT, my dear?
Just today.
Just today. Okay. I am a bit thoughtful that I'm not giving you a very bad experience to remember as far as this is your
No, ma'am.
no? Okay. Okay, keep smiling. You have a very vibrant smile. Keep smiling. Okay. So now a humble suggestion to you, Shubhangi, since you are just in the first lap of your life and you have to go along with a very long academic and then professional career, that it is absolutely okay not to know anything. It is absolutely okay to ask for time and stating that I am not sure about it. It is absolutely okay. But
Yes,
whenever
ma'am.
you get a topic of discussion for some specific day, what you need to do is you need to exercise that topic in your brain. Okay, answering and preparation starts from here. The exercise happens here, and you only answer that exercise from your lips and vocal cord, right? So what you
Yes,
need to
ma'am.
do is that you need to sit with yourself and you need to think about that what can be the probable questions and what more importantly, forget about the questions, what you think about the topic is most important, because whatever be the question, what you think, what you believe is going to come across when you answer. When I open my lips, when I start speaking, whatever is in me will automatically come out. Okay, so I can only have a good comment on what I think and what I perceive. You can work on that note. Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
it was lovely meeting you. I
Thank
am
you, ma'am.
sure that we are going to meet quite a lot many times in the next interactions to come. Stay well, take care, wish you a very happy Republic Day. And with
Thank
that,
you,
shall
ma'am.
we move on to Raj?
Good evening, ma'am.
Yuvraj, are you there? Good
Good
evening,
evening,
beta. Will
ma'am.
you turn your video on or not? Good evening, beta. Can you turn your video on?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, actually,
Okay.
let me see, ma'am, because my lights
Okay.
are off. I'm
Time to
now
check.
going to sleep. That's all. What, ma'am?
Okay. Okay, so will you need good time to check or you can just check it in 1 minute or like that?
No, just in 1 minute.
Sure. Take your time.
Okay, ma'am. Yeah, ma'am.
My first, okay. Yuvraj, my first question to hello, seeing you after a long time. Wish you a
Yes,
very happy Republic Day, Yuvraj. Okay. Tell me one thing, Yuvraj.
same to you.
What do you think? Leaders are born or they are made?
Ma'am, as I think leaders are born, just they have to improve their qualities and they have to know about their qualities.
Okay. Can you name two such leaders whom you think that they are born and not made?
Uh, Mahatma Gandhi and Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose, as I think
Okay.
they are
Okay.
naturally born as a leader, because as I have heard that they was leading like from since their childhood.
Okay. Yuvraj, as per you, what are the most needed traits for being a good leader?
Uh, for that, ma'am, like we have to be on the point. This is the main thing which a leader needs. And the second thing is we should be confident. We should be confident about anything, uh, like about our steps which we are taking. So yeah, ma'am.
Okay. So, being ready and being confident are the two character criterias that one needs to be a good leader, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, the third point is what are the additional qualities that a leader must have?
Additional qualities.
Two additional qualities you have to tell me.
No, actually, I don't understand about additional qualities. What means like?
Like a leader has to have a good foresight, right? A leader has to have a very good foresight. He has
Okay.
to have the power of seeing future, of seeing the risk, of calculating the risk. Okay, so being foresighted is one of the characteristics of being a good leader. There are many more. A good decision making capacity of a leader differentiates him from the rest. Courage is a very important criteria of being a leader. A person who is very timid, who is very panic stricken cannot be a good leader ever. Yuvraj, do you consider yourself to be a leader in coming time?
No, actually, I don't like leadership, and I also don't like to become a leader. I believe in myself, and I am happy with myself only. I don't want to take a task to manage anything. So yeah, ma'am, I'm happy
You don't
with
want to become a leader?
myself only.
Okay. So if you become an engineer tomorrow
Uh,
and you grow as a team lead sometime, and your company entrusts you
then,
with a big responsibility, will you go and tell that no, I don't want to become a leader, please don't give me this responsibility? Are you going to talk like that?
no, then, no, then after I'm going to lead my team.
So then why did you say that I don't want to become a leader? Leader does not mean political leaders all the time. Leader is somebody who leads.
Not political leaders. Actually, I'm not interested in that.
When did I mention that you have to be a political leader? I only said that, do you believe that you have leadership qualities, or you do want to become a leader? You said, no, I don't want to become a leader. But now when I asked you that, are you ready to be a team lead in an engineering job? You said, okay, I am ready to take a lead. When did I ask you that you have to be a political leader? I did not say that, right?
No, yeah, yeah. Then you can say that I have some leadership qualities.
Yeah. Yuvraj, I wish you all the very best so that you become a very successful leader in whatever you do. May you become a leader of your own life. May you achieve everything that you aspire. May you gain strength, foresight, confidence, skill, courage, and competence, all that a leader requires. And with that, we will conclude our discussion with you today, and we will move on to Veena. Veena, are you there? Can you please unmute yourself?
Yes, Yuvraj, your father is there? I think so. His father was also there.
No, ma'am.
Okay.
No, ma'am.
Okay, Veena, can you please turn your video on, please?
Yeah, ma'am. Good evening, ma'am.
Hello. Good evening. Good evening. Good evening. Wish you a very happy Republic Day.
Same to you,
Okay,
ma'am.
so I know that you have a lot of qualities of being a leader. Tell me one thing. I know that you are a good leader. You are very poised, very decisive. More than that, you're very grounded. You know your goals, and you perhaps you believe in an approach which is slow but steady. If I'm not very wrong.
Yes.
So how do you grade my evaluation about your qualities?
Like
Out of 10, you have to grade me.
10
Please
out of
grade me
10.
that how correct my evaluation
10 out of
is.
10.
10 out of 10?
Yes.
Okay, so I am not having a collar, so I can just take my shawl off like that. Okay. 10 out of 10. Okay. Okay, so it seems that I did a good reading out of a human face. Fine. Tell me one thing, Veena. There are a lot of traits that I talked about, right? Do you think that you inherit these traits, or you are born with these traits, or you are born with few and you have developed few? How do you look at the traits that are basically your qualities of being a good leader?
Somewhere, like one or two things I was born with, and like setting goals and everything, I learned from someone. He taught me how to set a goal, how to make a goal and achieve that goal. And
Mm-hmm.
some like management. Since my childhood, I was very management type of student. I manage my class, not being a like a prefect or anyone. I manage everything. Like who's the class monitor, I used to manage him also or her also. I used to tell him or her that you should be quiet, you should not talk, we should be in discipline in our class. I was that of type of student.
Okay. Okay. So, what are the specific traits that you have developed as a leader?
As a leader, I
You were
like
not born with, but you did develop.
hearing hearing like I hear the people, what they are saying and how they are saying, reading their mind, reading their face.
Correct is the listening skill.
Yeah, listening skill. And the second is uh, goal setting. My goal setting I learned, which I told. And the third one is face reading. Sometimes
Okay.
I
So
read
you can
faces.
read, you can read seeing somebody's face. Is it like that?
Sometime I can read like what's in her or his mind running about me, like myself only, not others, about others. But I can read that person mind. Okay, he's thinking about me like this. Okay, let him think or let her think. This is the this is
Do
the,
you think that this is an important skill for being a leader?
no, it's not an important skill for being a leader, but it helped me a lot. Like I
You
just
again missed the question. That's why I popped up this topic. You
yeah.
again missed the point. My question was, what are the skills that you developed
The
for
two
being
skill
a good
only.
leader?
The two skill which I developed: listening skill and the
Veena,
goal
this is,
setting.
this is something I'm telling you repeatedly. You're not paying an attention towards it enough. Please listen to the question and focus your answer to the question specifically. It will help you to sharp your communication way better than you are right now. Okay, because face reading is a life skill which is needed for anybody, but it is that way not a priority skill for being a leader,
Yes.
because you also already mentioned about certain stuffs that you developed and it does not fall under that category. Tell me one thing, Veena. We have only 2 minutes to conclude this session. What do you think? Leaders are born or they are made?
In my view, leaders are born. Some leaders are born, some leaders are
Okay.
made. Like some leaders are
Okay.
blessed with
वो
the
तो हो ही
golden.
गया. दो इधर दो उधर.
Some leaders are born with the
Mostly.
golden spoon in their mouth, like not the silver spoon, golden spoon or diamond spoon, you can call it. Like they are born in a family, political
You are
family,
again
and
confusing it with the political leaders. I'm not talking about political leaders. Leader is a leader who leads. I'm not talking about political
in
leaders.
all the ways, in the
So the spoon and the diamond spoon and the platinum spoon, I'm not interested about.
in
I'm
all the field
asking that
also.
whom do you think that they are made or they're born?
In all field, there are some uh, person who are made leaders because they are born in such families or such ways. So leaders are made by the people. People select them
Okay,
and make them leader.
okay. Um, okay. How important it is to have a good leader for a nation? How important it is?
It's very important. Like if the nation goes in a very bad hand, then the nation will go 50 year or 70 years back. If I'm not wrong, now the nation, well, what I feel now, our nation is in correct hand, and we are running very fast to become a superpower.
Okay. How good we are in picking up our leaders?
We are very bad in picking up our leaders, what I think. Like there
Okay.
are some caste
Thank
system
you.
and everything in our
Thank you for being so candid and so convinced. I really liked your approach that we are very bad. This emphasis on very shows that you're very convinced about what you're placing across. Okay, thank you, everybody. Thank you for your time. It was,
thank you,
as
ma'am.
usual, lovely talking to you all. Thank you, Veena. Thank you, Yuvraj, Shubhangi, and Aditi. Thank you, Preeti, for hosting.